Hello, my lovely student. Good morning to all of you. Today is your English class. Yes. And today we will learn the phonic sound of the letter P and letter Q. Okay? Yes. Now take out your book. I can read myself. And take out page number 2626. Yes. Letter P. Letter P. Trace the letter P with the help of pencil, then color it. Yes. P for peacock. P for peacock. Yes. Circle the animals or things whose name begin with the sound of letter P. है ना? Means ये जो आपको यहाँ पे थिंग्स और एनिमल्स बने हुए हैं, इनमें आपको जिनका साउंड पी से स्टार्ट होता है उनको सर्कल करना है. यस. एंड द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ पी इज प. यस, द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ पी इज प. से इट विथ मी. प. यस. नाउ सी. प पैराशूट. प पैराशूट. सर्कल इट. P penguin. P penguin. Circle it. Then P pizza. P pizza. Circle it. P piano. P piano. Circle it. Then what is this? This is tomato. Tomato. And tomato starts with the T. Tomato. T. Tomato. Yes. What is this? This is book. 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 It does not start with the letter P. Don't circle the tomato and book. Understood well? Okay. Now come to page number 2828. Yes. This is Q. Q. This is capital Q. This is small q, and this is an animal named quail. It starts with the Q. Okay? Yes. Now you have to circle the animals, peoples or things which are given here whose names begin with the sound of letter Q, and the sound of letter Q is Q. The sound of letter Q is Q. Yes. Let's see here. Queen. 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 Circle it. Cousins. Cousins. It starts with a K. Means C. Don't circle this. Then this is a bird, है ना? Named quill. Yes. Quill. Quill. Yes. Circle this. Then you know na? Which animal is this? Cat. 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 It starts with the letter C. C for cat. है ना? Yes. Then don't circle this. Then kite. Kite. It starts with the K. K for kite. Yes. Don't circle this. Then quint. Quint. Yes, it starts with the Q. Circle this. Okay.